In general, there are 4 different methods utilized for utility sub-billing. 3 of these methods utilize meters, though one of these methods does not use meters. Total capture submetering occurs where there is a single utility service feed line for each dwelling unit. The meter is installed on that service line and measures all of the utility used in the home. Total capture metering is common when meters are installed during construction of the property. 15 to 20 years ago, no one ever dreamed that the cost of water, sewer, or energy would rise to the point where we would charge residents for their utility consumption. Therefore, a single service feed line was not designed or installed during construction, so there is no single meter point for many locations. And due to this, several alternative methods are used to apply submeters and charge for utilities. Hot water allocation submetering is when the water meters are installed on the cold water inlet of the individual hot water heater. The measured hot water usage is multiplied by a factor to determine total hot and cold water billing usage. The multiplier factor is engineered for each property and in general ranges between 2 and 5. For example, a multiplier of 5 means that for every gallon of hot water used, a total of 5 gallons of water is used for billing purposes. As a relation between hot and cold usage exists for most residents, this is a highly accurate method of determining billing consumption. Hot water allocation is typical when submetering is retrofitted years after construction is completed. For properties where multiple utility service points exist for each unit, then multiple meters, point-of-use meters, or runtime systems are utilized. This can be for electric, gas, or water applications. The usage determined by each meter is totalized into a single amount for billing purposes. In the past, when utilities were a lot less expensive than they are today, many properties were constructed without separate utility service points or without individual water heaters. In this scenario, residents are billed without utility meters in a program which is commonly referred to as a RUBS program. RUBS programs are based upon the square footage of the unit, the number of occupants, or a combination of square footage and occupancy. There are many states and local jurisdictions that do not allow RUBS programs.